In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename yourself in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're updating your last name due to a recent life change or simply want a fresh start with a new display name, it's a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few steps. Let's dive right in and make those changes seamlessly. First, ensure you're logged into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in, locate your profile picture or initials at the top right corner of the Teams interface. Clicking on your profile is the first step towards personalizing your name. After you've clicked on your profile, look for an option or icon that resembles a pencil. This icon is pretty universal across many platforms, symbolizing edit or change. In the context of Microsoft Teams, the pencil icon is your gateway to renaming yourself. Click on that to proceed to the next stage of the update. Now, you'll see a section where you can edit your name. This is where you get to be creative or practical, depending on your needs. Maybe you're switching out your last name, or maybe just modernizing to a nickname. Carefully type in your desired new name, ensuring that it reflects exactly what you want everyone in Teams to see. Once you've entered the new name, it's time to make it official. Look for the Save button, which will be visible somewhere in the editing section. Clicking this button confirms your changes and updates your name across the Teams platform. Press Save, and with that you've successfully renamed yourself in Microsoft Teams. Remember, these changes might take a minute or two to propagate across all devices and instances of Teams that you're logged into. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've effectively given yourself a new identity in your Teams environment, all while enjoying the convenience and efficiency of Microsoft Teams. Whether you're in a business setting or collaborating on personal projects, making sure your display name is current can help streamline communication and avoid any potential confusion with colleagues. If you ever need to make further changes or adjustments, you can follow these same steps at any time. Keep in mind that maintaining an updated profile name can enhance your professional presence and ensure a smooth communication flow across your teams. So, bookmark this video or jot down these steps for any future updates. Thanks for watching and happy renaming.